Hey, BBQ Rando here. Hey, we got a, this is little guy here. This is from Brothers Fireworks. It's called Keg Party. And I had to put some blue tape on it because the bottom was kind of loose after I bought it. So, but you you can see here the performance is, well, it's, I see some red. I see stars. I see green. I see blue. I see out of. You know what? I see light fuse and get away! All right. And hey, I'm starting to look like that guy. Ooh, look at that guy. So what we're going to do is go ahead and light this up. Let's have a keg party! Barbecue! Off to the lunch pad. Hold on, watch this. Okay, so we got the keg party loaded on the BBQ Rando launch pad. On the ranch, 19 acres. Here we go! Woo, see what happens here. Whoa! Oh, I would say that was a, oh my goodness, look at that. I would say that was a dud. Barbecue.